I don't know why it ended. Streamlabs is kind of unreliable. If you guys have any better like solutions to live stream on iPad, let me know. But yeah. Anyway, so got that. Start this one. Got that. Okay, yeah, I got this one too. It's just this, I was not aware. Like, I know if you do like x plus y squared, it equals x squared plus y squared, I'm pretty sure. Maybe. Wait, hold up. 2 plus 4 squared equals 2 squared plus 4 squared. So 6 squared is equal to 36. Then 4 plus 16 is not equal to 36, it's equal to 20. Okay, so I guess it only works with multiplication, not with addition. It's good to know. Good to know. Okay, so let's get into the stuff here. Okay, many students don't know the difference between these two. Okay, well luckily I do. It's like order of ops. So this is 9 and this is negative 9 because the negative applies after you do this. So this negative, so if we do negative 3 times negative 3, it equals to positive 9. But if we do negative 3 times 3, it equals to negative 9. So that's how that works, guys, if that wasn't, Order of operations, PEMDAS, dictates that parentheses take precedence, because PEMDAS is parentheses, exponents, multiplication / division, addition / subtraction. Yeah. So yeah. So without the parentheses, the exponentiation happens first, and then the negative gets put onto that. Sometimes the result turns out to be, negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 is equal to negative 2. And then negative 2 times 2 times 2 is also equal to negative, well, not equal to negative 2. Obviously not equal to negative 2. 8. I mean negative 8, yeah. Value without a calculator. Answers start on page 272. So this is going to be 1. This is going to be negative 1. This is going to be -1. Because, like, if it's odd, then the negative stays. If it's even, the negative leaves. I'm pretty sure. -1. So that becomes a positive. Actually, wait a minute. So this takes precedence. So the negative disappears. So then it's like -1. This is -9. No, not 9. -9 times 3, whatever that is. -3 to the third. That's going to be negative, like, 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is what? Hey Siri, what's 9 times 3? 27.
9 times 3 is 27.
27. I guess we can also write 27 here. Let's keep going here. Negative, so this makes it 27, or negative 27, and then another negative on that makes it positive 27, I think. So this is a 6 times 6 is 36. Positive, so it's equal to negative 36. Well, let me see if the math notes can do this. Squared equals. Oh, do I not get math notes on here? That's unfortunate. I guess in preview, when you're using preview, you don't get to use math notes. Oh, it looks like my iPad stopped charging because it's overheating, but whatever. So this stays negative. Negative 16, 32, 64. So negative 64. Wait, no, hold up. Yeah, negative 64 with the negative becomes positive 64. Pretty sure. Okay, wow. It's getting pretty spicy here. Two to the third times 3 to the second times this. I mean, look, we get Desmos on the SAT, but it's still important to understand the fundamentals. That's what I think they're getting at. So anyway, negative 1 to the 5th. Since it's odd, it's going to be negative 1. So this whole thing should be negative. Then 3 to the second is 9. And 2 to the third is 4 is 8. So 9 times 8 times negative 1. So that's equal to 9 times 8. So 9 times 8 is 72. So it's negative 72 should be the answer here. Then we got negative 1 to the 4th times 3 to the 3rd times 2 to the 2nd. So negative 1 to the 4th should stay as 1. So then this should be positive 72 because this part is just the same here. Just a highlighter here. This part and this part is just the same. So those two stay like that. Then we got negative 2 to the 3rd times negative 3 to the 4th. Hold up. If it's a negative 1 to the odd number, then it stays negative. If it's a negative 1 to an even number, it should switch, right? 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 equals. So negative 1 times negative 1 is 1 times 1 equals 1. So therefore, if we have like x to the positive. Wait, no. How do we write this? N is greater than 0, then x to the n equals. It's also more than 0, I guess. Look, I would assume that's kind of how you write the proof, but I guess it's not really important right now that we write the proof for it. Anyway, let's expand this here. So now, like, we're back, we're still on 15 here. Negative 2 to the 3rd. So this is going to stay negative because it's an odd number, so it'll stay negative. So the answer will be negative. me just pull up my calculator here. Because I'm not using it to figure out the polarity, I'm just using it to figure out what negative 3, or I mean 3 to the 4th is. Three to the 4th. 81. 81 times 8, but it's going to be negative 8. It's negative 648. It's a big odd number. And let me just check this with the calc. So if we got negative 2, so if we got negative 2 to the third times negative 3 to the 4th. Yep, that's equal to negative 648. Alright, we're right. 3 to the 0 is equal to 1. 6 to the negative 1 is equal to 1 over 6. 4 to the negative 1 is 1/4. 5 to the 0 is 1. 3 squared is 9. 3 to the negative 2 is, that'd be 2 over 3, right? 2/3, I believe. Let's check this rule up here.